Hello friends, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you a method with that you can sort out your love problem in couple of hours and your love will come back in your life forever. With this spell you can get your love back as well as you can get married with that person that you like most in this world. So today we made a tremendous love spell that would work for everyone. No age limit, no distance, no countries required for that. Anybody in this world can use this spell and get that person that they like. So I'm going to tell you how you can do this love spell and you can get that person back in your life. First of all, there are the couple of things or couple of points that you have to note that down. I'm telling you that you have to attention of these words or these things. With that you can get your love back by using this love spell. First of all, this spell for your love problem solution. And these are the couple of points you have to follow for this love spell. First of all, you have to take a leaf of any vegetable, fruit, like you have to take a green leaf. You have to take a green leaf, and for this spell, whenever you're going to do this spell, the date should be like in 7, 17, 27. You can use this spell on these dates, and time should be 4, 9, 12, 1 am or pm, doesn't matter for this. You have to follow this condition. The date should be 7, 17, 27, 4, 9, 12 and 1. am should be or pm should be, that's not problem. I'm going to write here the time. With that you can clarify it easily, and this is the date. Okay, after that you have to write these magical numbers on the leaf: 77, 88, 99, 33. You have to write any of these numbers on this green leaf. After that, what you have to do, you have to write these things on this spell, and then you have to grind this leaf with water or milk. You can grind this green leaf in grinder or in grinder with water or milk. After that, what you have to do, you have to eat this leaf. Eat this leaf for to solve your love problem. I'm giving you a surety. After doing this spell, your lover's body will come to you, and that person would want to come back in your life forever. This is very powerful love spell. Anyone can use this spell, and this spell will work tremendously for all the lovers. Thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on this number, and the number is also showing on the top of the screen. You please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.